Welcome students. In this lecture we will see about SLR parser or LR of 0 items. Okay, SLR parser is otherwise called as LR of 0 items. This is a top-down parser and it is a left-right parser. That is why it is named as SLR parser, simple LR parser. Okay, when we take a syntax tree, parse tree, like it takes the item from the left subtree and then the right subtree and then it moves towards the root of the tree in evaluation. Okay, that is why it is called as SLR parser or LR parser. And this is the grammar that we have taken for solving. E tends to E plus TT, T tends to TF, F tends to F star AB. The first step in solving this is writing an augmentation of the grammar. So this is the augmented grammar. The augmentation is nothing but adding something, right? So we have added this item to our grammar. This is the start symbol of a grammar. So we have included start symbol dash start symbol. Okay, and E tends to E plus T. I have written those items, all the grammar which is given, all the production in the grammar in this format. Okay, it is not like E tends to E plus T or T. You have written E tends to E plus T, E tends to T. That is how we have written. We have just elaborated. Okay, and I have given numbering also for this. This numbering will be using in writing the parsing table. So this numbering is important now. And the step 2 is writing the canonical collection of LR of 0 item, which is nothing but adding the look ahead item for this. So E dash tends to dot E. We have included a look ahead called dot over here. In each and every iteration we will be moving this look ahead one step on the right and we will see the collections. Okay, that is how we solve the problem. And E tends to E dot T. Since I have a non-terminal after this look ahead, I have to include the productions where this non-terminals appears in the left hand side of the production. So when we take that, these two are those items. So we'll be including that. E tends to E plus T and E tends to T. We'll include the look ahead over here. Same way, I have a look ahead here and a T after this look ahead. So include those T based item. T tends to dot TF. I'm including a look ahead here, and T tends to dot F. Since F is being included, include F based item. F tends to F star and F tends to dot A and F tends to dot B. In predominant cases, it happens to have every items which is available in the problem happening here also. In very few cases, it will be not like that. Okay, we might be including such items over the course, but in predominant cases, you will have every item, every single production here over here. Okay, it is a predominant case, but not always true. Okay, I have numbering. I have numbered it as I0, and we'll have to now move this look ahead one step on the right, and then we have to check. So I'm including a goto. We have to name it as called goto of this I0 on, like every item that is available here we have to give the goto. Okay, so give E. So when you include this goto for this E, you will get E dash tends to E dot. Okay, and here while you giving this goto, you should look on this item where and all you have this E after this T. We have given I0 on T, so you have to look on the right hand side. Earlier we have seen left hand side of the grammar, and now we have to say including this. We have to include this left hand side. If I see dot E in productions, which is where the E appears on the left hand side, I am including. But for this goto, I am giving E na. So E where and all I have E on the right hand side of the grammar, that I should include. Now I need not see the left hand side. I should look only on the right hand side. Okay. So here it is done, and now goto for this. Okay. E tends to E. Earlier I had look ahead over here. Now I am moving it here plus T. Okay. So we do not have anything else. So number it as I1. Now I have T, so give goto for this. goto of I naught comma t, so which includes this one, right? This one and this one. So E tends to T dot and T tends to T dot. This look ahead has been moved over here, and F. Since I have F over here, I have to include F based items. So I'm including it. F tends to F star, include the look ahead, and F tends to look ahead A, and F tends to look ahead B, and give it a number called I2. Okay, and next is here we have T is completed, right? Give goto for F. Now goto of I naught comma F. So here after this dot, after this look ahead, I have this F and this F. So give goto for these two items. So T tends to F, moving look ahead one step ahead. T tends to F dot star. So this one and this one. Now give goto for this A. Now go to I naught comma A, which includes F tends to A dot, and go to I naught comma B, where F tends to B dot, right? And now after this I2, we have to give number for this, right? So I'm giving it as I3, I4 and I5, right? And next I0 is done. We have to give goto for this I1. So and this under I1, this is a completed production. If you have look ahead which is moved after this production, then we call it as completed production. So this is a completed one, and we have this. So we can give goto for this, goto of I1 comma, I have to give goto for this plus. So goto of plus, where E tends to E plus dot T. So based on the rule, after this dot I have T, so include T based item. T tends to dot TF, T tends to dot F, including F includes F based item. So F tends to dot F star, F tends to dot A, and F tends to dot B. Dot in the sense it is a look ahead, right? So it is the I number called I6. Now I1 is completed. Look into this I2. I2, this is a completed production, and we can give goto for this. So if I give goto for F, this one and this one includes. Okay, so we are giving goto for this, goto for I2 comma F, so which includes this one. So T tends to TF dot, and here you will get F tends to F dot star. Okay, do we have anything like this, T tends to TF and F star? Earlier we do not have, so name it as I7. Okay, and now we can give I2, F is completed, and on I2 I have A and B. So give goto of I2 comma A, which includes F tends to A dot. So I need not give a new number for this because this is already occurring here, right? F tends to A dot is already available. Forget about this I number. This may be different, but items which included here is same, like F tends to A dot. So I have given number I4, and F tends to B dot I5. So I am just repeating the same number. It is I4, and goto of I2 comma B, because I have I2 comma B. This is I2, right? So I have to give number for this. So goto of I2 comma A, F tends to B dot. So you will get it a I5 here, right? So till I2 we have completed, and we'll check on I3. Under I3, this is a completed production, and this is the production where we need to give I number. So goto of I3 comma star we have to give, right? So star. So T tends to F star, right? The last number we have given is I7, so give it as I8. So this is the one we have in I3 and no more items. I4 is a completed, I5 is a completed item. And under I6 we have T. So we can give under I6 goto of I6 comma T. So include this. E tends to E plus T, and this look ahead will come over here. Okay, so I'll have look ahead over here, but then after this T, this is a look ahead, this is the I6 on T. So this T we have to include. So include T tends to T dot F. After this look ahead I had a non-terminal F. So include those non-terminal items. F tends to look ahead of F star, and F tends to dot A, and F tends to dot B. This is a new item, I guess. So we have to give a new I number for this. So with this I9. Okay, so here I6, I7 and I8 and I9 we have got. And now we are on I6. So for under this I6 we have given goto for this T. Still we have F, A and B. So give I number for this. So goto of I6 comma F. So goto of I6 comma F. So you will get T tends to F dot and F tends to F dot star. This is already available. F tends to F and F tends to. So this and these are same. So give a same number I3. And after this F we have A and B. So give goto for this. Goto of I6 comma A. You will get F tends to A dot. We have already known this is I4 and I5. I4 and I5. So give a same number called I4 and goto of I6 comma B. So you will get F tends to B dot. So give a number called I5. So now you can see like every item is completed. Here we have I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7 and I8 and I9. And the other items are repeating and I do not have anything. I6 we have completed. I7 is a completed item. I7 on star we have given. Okay, so we will give I goto of I7 comma star. You will get F tends to F star, which is I8 again, and I4, I5 completed. I8 is a completed item. I9 will give F. Okay, goto of I9 comma F we have to give, right? So give F. So T tends to TF dot and T tends to F dot star. This is similar to that of I3. Not I3, it is similar to that of I7, right? So give a number called I7 and like goto of I9 comma A and B we have to give. So goto of I9 comma A, you will get F tends to A dot, which is similar to that of I4 and I5. So I am giving I4 and goto of I9 comma B, we will get F tends to B dot, which is nothing but I5. So you can see every item is completed, and till I9 we have given goto, and after this I9 I did not have any new item, right? So with this iterations can be completed, and we will see how to make a parsing table out of this grammar. So this is the complete set we'll see how to make a parser table. So to make a parsing table out of this, we need to calculate the first and follow for the grammars which we have got. Okay, calculating first and follow, it is another video, you can watch into it. I'll tag this, and here it is the full grammar which we have got. This is the grammar for which we are solving the problem. So this I have written, and with the ordering I have written. Okay, now we can check. Like here we have to write this is the parsing table which we are going to populate. Under this it is to be like this. Okay, so I have taken till I7 till I0 like this, and so I numbers on the row, and all the terminals on the column, and non-terminals also in the column. So the non-terminals that we've got is AB plus star, AB plus star, and dollar. Okay, so it is like AB plus star and dollar. Since we include this dollar as a mandatory item because that is available in the follow, and the non-terminal that we have is E, T, and F, right? Okay, so now we have to look into this one. See here under this I1, okay, so I0 on E is I1, so I am writing I1 over here, and I0 on T is I2. I have given goto for I0 with the T, pass on T. So the number there is one item which is populated, and number given to this item is I2, so give I2. Same way I0 on F is I3, so name it as I3, and I0 on A is I4. Since this is the terminal, give it as S4. This is the shift, and this is the goto items, and this is the action items. Okay, so this is S4, and same way I0 on B it is 5, so give it as S5. And here I1 on plus is I6, I1 on plus is I6, so I should give S6. And I2 on F is I7, I2 on F is I7, so I2 on F is 7 I should write, and I2 on A is S4, right? I2 on A is S4, and I2 on B is S5, and I3 on star is 8, so I3 on asterisk is 8, so S8, and I3 on star is S8 I have written. For I4 it is a completed production, so no entries will be made here, and shift entries will be made here, and I5 is a completed production, so no entries as of now. And I6, yeah, here is I6, I6 on T is I9, so make it as I6 on T is I9, and I6 on F is 3, so I6 on F is right as 3, and I6 on A is 4, I6 on B is 5, I6 on A is 4, I6 on B is 5, so here it is S4 and S5, and I7 on star is 8, so I7 on asterisk is 8, and I9 on A is I8 is a completed production, so nothing will come here, and I9 on A is 4 and 5, I9 on A is S4 and S5. So now we have completed. Making this gotos and shift. Now we have to make the reductions. Okay. So for making the reduction, listen carefully. For making the reduction, we'll have to check what are all the items which are completed. So here on I1, E dash tends to E is completed, right? On I1. So on I1, E dash tends to E is completed. So under dollar I have to write accepted. But then we'll check whether any shift reduce conflict is happening, and then we'll write. Okay, so keep it aside. And after this I have I2. Under I2 I do not have anything completed one, and I3 under I3 I have one item completed, which is T tends to F dot. Okay, so under I3 I have to write T tends to F is completed. Okay, what is the number given to this T tends to F? T tends to F number is 4. So I have to write R4. Okay, so where should I write this R4? You have to look into the left hand side of your production. T tends to F is the one which is completed here. T tends to F is the one which is completed here. So look into the left side of this grammar, which is T. So under row 3 I have to write this production. I have to mention that this production is completed, and in which cells I have to write. For that, look into this T, left side of the production. So T, follow of this item are dollar plus AB. So here under I3 you have to write the production R4 is completed, and in the cells follow of T. Here left hand side is T, right? So under the follow of T, dollar plus AB. So write under dollar R4 plus R4, R4 and R4. Okay, you got it. And next is I5. So I0 on B is I5, where this is completed. Sorry, on I4 also. So I0 on A, I4 is completed, and the production is F tends to A. So under the row I4, under the row I4 I have to tell like F tends to A is completed. The number for F tends to A is 6. So I have to mention R6. Where I should mention? In the follow of F. Follow of F is dollar plus AB star. So follow of F is dollar plus AB star. So in all the item write all 6. Same way look into here, F tends to B is completed in I5. So under I5 I should write F tends to B is completed. So look into this item, F tends to B number is 7. So I should write R7, right? And now the left hand side of the production is F. So F, follow of F is dollar plus AB star. So write on here under I5 dollar plus AB star. In all the items write R7. Okay, and next is under I6 nothing is completed. Under I7 this is completed. So under I7 what is completed? T tends to TF. So T tends to TF is completed here. So T tends to TF's number is 3. So it is R3. I should write R3 in follow of T. Follow of T is dollar plus AB. So dollar plus AB. Okay. Then look into the other items. This is we have already mentioned, and this is the one new item. T tends to T star. T tends to F star on I8. I think it is F tends to F star. Okay, so it is I8. Under I8 I should mention F tends to F star. Okay, so F tends to F star is R5, and I should write in the follow of F, which is dollar plus AB star. So dollar is this R5, and write R5, 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 right? So reduction for R3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is done, and only 2, 3 is pending, right? So we can check that. T tends to TF. E tends to T. So here we have something called E tends to T is completed. So under I2 we should write. So under I2 we should write E tends to T is completed, and that I number is 2. So R2 I should write. What is the follow of E? Follow of E is dollar and plus. So write here R2 and R2. Okay. Finally R1. So where this R1 is completed, so here the R1 is completed and the I number is I9. So under I9 I should write E tends to E plus T is completed here. So the number for this one is R1. So R1 is here, and I should write R1 in follow of E. Follow of E is plus and dollar. So R1 and R1. So we have written. So this is how the parser. Now this is what we call as parser table. And when you complete this, you will get the full marks. And you can check into one item here. We have made shift reduction and all over here, and there is no shift reduce conflict happen. See, for sometimes you will get something like this. Okay, this is only for example I am writing. You will get say for example S10 and R2, which will happen in the same cell. And this we call a shift reduce conflict. And in this one we did not have that. Okay, so this is a perfect SLR parsing table, and since no shift reduce conflict happened, we will write confidently that this is accepted. Okay, so that is what I said, accept. Okay, so based on this table we'll solve one input, or we'll parse one input whether this is getting accepted by this grammar or not. Okay, we'll see that in another video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.